I'm going to show you my favorite hair mask ever. This mask will give your hair just the right amount of care and nutrition, and you won't have to spend either too much time or money for this. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you want to be notified every time I upload something new, do not forget to click on the bell icon as well. Now let's get started. So what you're going to need is around 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or almond oil. And the second thing you need is the same amount of honey, which is around 2 tablespoons. Mix both of these together and it will soon come to a very nice consistency like this. Next, you're going to be needing 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now, yogurt has lactic acid in it, which is an exfoliator, and it helps to exfoliate any dead skin cells off your scalp, which helps your hair grow much faster. Again, give it all a very nice mix, and this is how a hair mask looks like when it is ready to use. So if you guys are not doing this in the shower or above your sink, which you should, then drape yourself in a towel like me, and I think you should anyways drape yourself so that you do not get any of this onto your clothes. And then you're going to start applying this all over your hair, right from the scalp to all the way till the ends. Just drench your hair with this, the more the better, so be very generous. I absolutely love this hair mask, especially during the rainy season. It is the best all-in-one hair mask for all hair types, and I really hope that you guys give this a try. Leave it on your hair for about an hour, and then you're gonna tie it up into a bun. You can even utilize this 1 hour to give yourself a nice little massage. Then you're gonna wash it out and you're gonna have soft, shiny and healthy hair. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Mwah.